What up, YouTube? It's me, Isaac, coming to you with another edition of My Life. So my brother and I stopped at Taco Bell, and I got one of their grilled cheese burritos, which is kind of messy. Oh my god, that's amazing. Although I knew it was messy going into it.
Yeah, messy when it comes out of you.
Ignore my brother. I really love their grilled cheese burritos. Because of how cheesy they are, and I really like cheese.
How cheesy are they?
Cheesy enough that it oozes out cheese every bite.
I do too when she bites on it.
Ignore my brother. Whoa. The grip. Apparently they changed the.
Are they selling quads out here?
Apparently they changed the formula to the grilled cheese burritos and put Fritos in it, which just makes them tastier. And that's good. That's good stuff. When it comes down to the grilled cheese burritos or any burritos from Taco Bell, I really love their chicken burritos. Because they're just more filling than the beef, in my opinion. Although I do like their 5-layer burritos, which are my second favorite thing from Taco Bell. This is really freaking tasty, man. Although it's kind of hard to eat while we're driving, but I really like them.
I mean, maybe for me it shouldn't be for you.
It is, because I keep getting swung around.
Well, put your phone down, you can have full control of yourself.
Ignore my brother.
Get your dick out of your hand, Isaac. You don't do that in public. I do.
Ignore my brother.
It's the ball swaying, not you in the seat.
Will you hand me my drink,
I suppose.
please?
Anything else on my side?
Ignore my brother. So in here is what I reviewed a little while ago, the pineapple Fanta, but I wanted to review it while I was eating because even though I like the grilled cheese burritos, they're really spicy.
How spicy are they?
Oh man, those Fritos were the spicy ones.
Toast.
Which I really like the spicy Fritos, but I digress. It's been a really cool day going out with my brother. Hopefully, are we here to see a movie?
I'm gonna run in there real fast.
Alright. See if it's planned. Hopefully I'll be able to do a Lilo and Stitch review tonight if my brother and I are able to see it, which would be sweet. And yet, if not tonight, I'll probably be able to do it by next weekend. Maybe. I'm your host, Isaac Brummett. Please like, subscribe, share with your friends, leave a comment. Peace out, y'all. Have a good one. I know I sure as shit will. Peace out, y'all.